What's up guys? So guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome and welcome back. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how to buy and when to sell in a forex market. This is simply on how you could buy in a forex market and how you could sell in a forex market. So let's dive into the video as I show you on how you can buy and sell. This is gold. This is gold that I'm currently on a sale currently selling gold, and it's perfect. It was just a sniper entry. So I'm going to show you how and when you can buy and sell. So this is a clear chart of euro USD. I just want to show you on how you can sell and buy in this forex market. So as we all know that the market moves in an uptrend and downtrend, forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so those are the things that we are going to discuss over here right now. So we are going to discuss on how market moves on a higher high and higher lows, and when to take and how to take your sniper entries and your entries opportunities in the market. So in a downtrending move, you should be taking your sales when market is at lower high, and in a uptrending, so all know market moves in an uptrend, forming high high, high low, high low. So market moves like that. So you're looking for to take your sales at these lower points. This lower point you can't take at that higher point. Let me show you. You can't take your position at this point right now. You will wait because your stop loss will be hit before your take profit to be hit. So you should be taking your profit. You are at that point. You should be taking your buyer's position at that lower point and targeting that higher point right there. So in a bearish scenario, market form lower high and a lower low. So you are looking forward to sell at lower highs. Cannot sell at the lower lows because your stop loss will be hit during this correction, during a correction move. So you only looking forward to take your sell position at the lower highs. So when market is selling, you look forward to there is that resistance zone that tend to be a support. There's that support zone that tend to be a resistance. So this point you take your short position at this point, you sell at this point. Okay. So in a bullish scenario, there is also a resistance that tend to be a support. This is where you buy your market. This is higher low point. Okay, that is very strong zone that you take your buy position at that exact point. So that is where you take your buy position. Either you target the previous high or the next high in the market. That's how you target good pips in the forex market. So let me show you the real forex, real market example, the real chart. Let me go to the real chart and I show you how this market behaves. So the market forms higher lows in a bullish scenario like this: higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, high low, high highs, high low, high highs, high low, high highs. So there is also a supply zone that I want to show you. There was a supply zone here. This was a supply zone. Let me draw. There is a supply zone here, a very good supply zone that market respected. So as you can see, the market was moving in an uptrend. Eventually the market came and broke this part here. The market broke this part. It was moving high and high low. So in this is a bearish scenario where you can, so market eventually you could take your bullish and buy at those higher lows. Okay, that these higher lows that I have drawn here, this is where you could take your buy position. Wait for market to come up to this point and take your buy position at this point. Okay, so you just wait, and there is also another zone here. I want you to see that this support that tend to be a resistance that tend to be a support. I will show you that zone. So this is the point where you take your buy positions, take buy position at higher lows, at exactly higher lows. So this was a zone, this zone that I was telling you. So I'm about to draw this zone. This was a zone. You also look for very many confluence in the market before taking your position. This was a zone. Let me show you. This zone, when you see this zone, this way you could take your buy position too and catch very big moves. Okay, so guys, kindly forgive me because my recording tool that I'm using, the app I'm using to record, is not that perfect. It's like running faster. The app that I was using to record is not that good. So in a bearish scenario, this is what you could do. You sell at this point. So guys, you can advise me on any app that I can use to record on my PC, because I'm struggling on with the app that I can use to record. So this is where you take your short position, So this was a retracement. This was just a retracement to the upside. After this retracement, this is where you take your short positions. Okay, you wait for retracement, then you take a short position. Let me delete this. So after this correction, as you can see, market is in a downtrending move. You take your short position, targeting this lower low or the next lower low. You look for you in your left position and you see where you could take your profit. So you reflect into your left side to look for where you will take your profit and you minimize your stop loss. So going further, this is how you could catch very good moves in the market. So let me show you other ways on how you could enter the market. Okay, let me show you other ways on how you could enter the market. This video, I know it's not perfect, like my recording tool that I used to record this video is not good. My sound and the sound I'm using and what is being seen in the screen are not aligning with each other, but I'm going to sort it out in the next video. So guys, you draw your trend line like this. You can see this trend line. If you draw this trend line, you wait for market to come into your trend line and you take your short positions. This is a downtrending move, so you take your short position at any point when the market come at your trend line. So in this market, you just need to be patient to the market and wait for any opportunity that could happen in the market for you to take an action, either to buy or sell. So let me go to GBP and show you also the opportunity that could be occur in GBP. So in GBP, as you can see, there was this demand zone here that I took this opportunity to buy this market up that point to that upper point there. So I took this opportunity to buy this. This was a demand zone. I took that opportunity. So as I have already told you, draw the zone. So there is this support here. Let me draw this support zones. You always draw important zones in the market, because those are the points where market reject and moved into your favor. So this eventually market broke this support. It came and retest. Upon retest, you could enter for your buy position, catching very big pips. Okay, up to the upside, catching those insane pips. You could target that resistance to the upside. Okay, so let's continue and look into other opportunities in the market. So in this scenario, you could also draw a very good trend line here. There's a good trend line, uptrending move, uptrending channel. So this trend line has been respected, as you have seen. So you buy whenever you get a chance. So you can see, if you get a chance, market come into that trend line. So market formed here higher lows and higher highs. Higher lows, higher high, higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So you wait for the market to come into your point of interest, which is a trend line, and then you take your buy position to the upside. So in this scenario, take your buy position at these higher lows where market has touched your trend lines. This is where you take your buy positions and catch those insane moves to the upside. So let me see how many pips are this that you could catch up to that point. So you could catch about 500 pips in that point. You could catch that high or the next up move to the upside. Okay, so this is how you could catch very good moves and pips in a scenario like this, just waiting for the market to tap into your point of interest, then you enter into your trade without even a loss. Okay, so after that, there was a lot of consolidation at this point. There was a lot of consolidation. After consolidation, market again start moving to the downside. In this scenario, could draw your trend line to the downside, okay, and catch those moves. Upon market touch your trend line, you enter for a sell position. At any point where market touch your trend line, you enter for a sell position. You just look for good entry. You could not. So in this scenario, as you can see, you could not take your position where when market is at a lower low. You enter the market when it's as high. You see, if you enter when it's a lower low, your stop loss will be hit. You wait for it to tap into your take profit. You to tap into your trend line before you enter. So there is also this zone. So this was a very good confluence that this market will eventually sell when it comes into that point of interest. That was very good confirmation to show that this market will drop to the downside. Okay, so this is how you just catch this move. Okay, this was a trade that I caught. Let me show you the trade that I caught. So I caught this trade as it was moving to the upside. So I draw this uptrending channel forming a bullish pennant. So I entered this market at this point. This is where I entered the market and catch those whole insane move in the market. Okay, so I caught those move. So market came here into this market came in this supply zone and start moving downside. So right now, Euro USD and GBP USD, they are selling. We are looking for a selling opportunity on GBP USD and Euro USD. Okay, so that's how you can catch very good pips, very good moves in the forex market. If you are a beginner, you should just look for support and resistance, and even you combine it with your resistance and the zones where market has rejected multiple times. Okay, so that's how you could catch those moves. So that's all about the video, guys. Let's meet into another video as I show you other ways on how to trade. And guys, don't judge me that because this video is not that perfect, but the next